Fry boys, fry boys, fry boys, fry boys. Let me tell you something, you bitch ass. No, never mind. Go ahead. Yo, Benzino, we ain't got no beef with you because you ain't never did nothing to me. You ain't never came close to putting no hands on me. I ain't even never seen you in person, so I ain't got no reason to want to kill you. You know what I'm saying? So all that pulling guns out and acting like a motherfucking Rambo and all that shit, nigga, if I see you, you better be the same nigga you is in them videos. And when I see you, we gonna talk. And let's talk. Because I ain't saying I got no beef, but I'm gonna want to know what your motherfucking problem is, man. We gonna talk.
You know what his problem is.
What's his problem?
Oh, got dust on him.
All right, Mr. Burns. You better slow your motherfucking roll, nigga. All them liver spots you got on you. All that motherfucking retirement home stench you got. You smell like fucking
old people.
Oh. You smell like old people.
You smell like old people and mothballs. Old people smell like
mothball. And you smell like doo-doo. You fucking faggot. And you look like the nigga that go to the store for us. And bitch, you look like John Paul.
Just give me the light.
Just give me the light and you look like a John Paul. Just like a fucking faggot. Just give me the light and pass the door. You look like Sean Paul and you just like fucking faggot. Yo, cause you done went from saying niggas could battle. You said Slaughterhouse is overrated like a motherfucker, and niggas could battle. You and the hang-ass whack man. I mean the hangman. So now, as soon as a nigga say one thing about you, now you want to murder niggas. At least you say you gonna murder niggas. But that shit don't fly with me. It don't. So you talking about all that murder shit, but you need to get back on the rapping tip. Feel me? Yo, I want to address some more shit. I want to address how this nigga can be pulling guns out on camera. He pulling guns out. He pulling all these designer ass guns out. Like a nigga with a CCW. And even if you ain't got a CCW, you a stupid ass nigga, because I don't understand why you buying such designer guns if you gonna have to throw them anyway. Because when I buy my guns, I buy them because I'm a user. So when I buy them, I'm gonna throw them. You ain't throwing shit but to fight. Nigga, shut your bitch ass up.
I had your top blowing out your head like asparagus. Nigga like the Nightcrawler. Oh, you nigga gotta battle tiger. You gotta do it.
Yo. You gotta battle Tiger Ty, and then the winner of y'all gotta face Eli Porter, dog. Cause I swear to God, all three of y'all niggas is retards. You can't rap. So I'm wondering why is you talking shit about me? Unless you just want to beef in the streets. But why would you want to do that, Benzino?
Benzino. Benzino.
Why would you want to do it, Benzino?
You don't want to make with me, Benzino.
I turn your burning ammo into some salmon stew.
I'm coming to Boston and bake your beans, Benzino.
And then we're gonna come down to Miami and make you into a Florida. Bitch. We got guns too. We got guns too. We got... and bitch.
Drop down on your ass like we got guns too. We got guns too. You don't have rocket launchers. You don't have rocket launcher. Blow your whole house up. Blow your whole car up. You fucking faggot.